Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are at Pets at Home and I am going to be doing a toy review on my cats. So let's get started.
Hang on, Star.
Dad's just putting his mask on. So here's the cat toy section. So what do you think I should get?
What do you think you'll like?
The catnip toys, but I don't know which one's cat. This is crazy. Like one of these. Tangled up. So I'm gonna get this. This is so cute.
You okay?
Yeah.
Batteries.
Yeah, those look good. So we've got this. Six. So these are multi-pack 6 units. Let's look down. Also at the end of this video we're going to be testing all the toys on the cats and seeing which one they like the best. So are we done or do we get more? Which I'm going to get to. And maybe we should there is a con laser, and I think the laser comes out of the fish. So, should I guess anything else? Around. These are just the cat beds, I think. Let's go down to the other. So this is just a feathery. Oh, this is what we got in the last video, didn't we? And there's also a mice trio. Oh, so I'm gonna get this. So are we done now? Okay, let's go to the cash register.